Are CLS or cumulative layout shift issues slowing down your site? If so, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to fix CLS using W3 Total Cache. So make sure you stick around to the very end of this video because I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks. It's not very long, so I'm sure you can make it to the end. Hi, I'm Bjorn from WPLearningLab. Now let's get started. This is where we left off in the last video. Our FCP and LCP are improved. They're still in the red down here, but they're much better than they were when we started the last video, and we got our score into 91 for mobile because we addressed those things. And in this video, we're going to address our CLS, which is cumulative layout shift. We're in the red down here. It shows that we have 9 different layout shifts, which means when the page loads, things aren't loaded exactly where they go. They move around after they load. If I refresh this page, I might be able to see it. If we pay really close attention, and not really. It reloaded, but there wasn't the crazy shift or anything. But I'm going to go over the best practices for improving that, because when you load your site, you might see the crazy shifts actually happening. So let's head into the dashboard and go back to W3 Total Cache, and under the minify settings, there's some stuff we're going to change. Oftentimes CLS issues are caused by CSS loading at different times and applying their styles at different times, which causes changes in appearance of the website. So we're going to minify not just the CSS, but lots of things. So make sure HTML minify settings are turned on, and then choose these 3. We'll minify feeds as well in this case. Enable the JavaScript minification. I'm going to choose combine and minify for the method. And for the before the head options and after the body options, I'm going to choose defer, which is going to help with render blocking resources, which can slow down the loading of certain CSS, which slows down the application of that CSS, which then in turn affects your cumulative layout shift. I'm going to check preserve comment removal and enable HTTP to push, which helps rendering things faster. Pretty much the same idea for the CSS minify. Enable that. Combine and minify for this option. Preserve comment removal, turn on HTTP to push, and that is about everything. So let me double check. Yeah, that's everything we're going to do in this section, and that's all the changes we're going to make for solving the CSS issue. So we come back out to the home page, and here we are going to purge the current page to make sure that the cached version of this page is gone. Now it's going to recreate a new cached version of this page, and then we're going to test the page speed insights in a few minutes once that cache is done. As far as I can tell, there's no way of telling whether W3 Total Cache has actually cached a page, as far as I know. So we're just going to wait a few minutes, and then it should have the page cached by then, and then we'll page speed test it again. It's been a few minutes now. Let's page speed test this site. So it's showing now on mobile 100% performance. So somehow that fixed FCP and LCP as well, what we're doing with the CLS. On desktop, we're also sitting at 100 because we cleaned up our CLS. If we go back to the original here, the first test on desktop, it was only CLS that was causing us problems for desktop. That was dragging us down to 81. Now our changes have cleaned up CLS completely, and now we're sitting at 100 for the page speed score for desktop. And something else we want to work on in the next video, actually not work on, but something I'm going to tell you about in the next video is time to first byte, which we've been getting good scores on throughout. They've been green and full all the time, but sometimes they aren't totally green and full, and you need to know how to address that issue. And that video is on the screen right now, so if you need help with time to first byte, check out the video on the screen. If this video helped you, make sure you click like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.